Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 2012 Ram 1500 key fob is probably one of the most important components of your truck ownership experience, offering seamless access and a range of security features. This video will guide you through its functionalities, from basic operation to troubleshooting common issues, ensuring you get the most out of your key fob and maintain the security of your vehicle. Number 5. Chrysler Dodge Ram Key Fob. This key fob offers a convenient and secure way to access your vehicle. It's equipped with 3 buttons for easy operation. Start your car from a distance with the remote start feature. It's perfect for those hot summer days or cold winter mornings. Each key fob undergoes rigorous testing before shipment, ensuring reliable performance and quality. You can trust it to work flawlessly. Programming instructions are available for your convenience. For vehicles 2010 and newer, professional programming may be required. It's compatible with various models and includes 2 fully functional remotes, ready to use. Everything you need is included. This key fob works with a range of Chrysler, Dodge, and Ram vehicles. Check the compatibility list to see if it's right for your car. What we like. It comes with 2 fully functional remotes, ready to use. Each one is tested before shipping, ensuring quality. If you need a spare key or want a backup, this is a great option for peace of mind. What people say. It was as stated. We took 2 to a lock and key dealer and he programmed them and they worked perfectly. Both remotes and keys were set up in a short amount of time and work as advertised for a 2013 Dodge Caravan. Was easy to program. I went to a Batteries Plus store and they wanted $70. Then wasn't giving me a guarantee that it would work. I went home and used the FOBIK app for Dodge Ram. Programmed the keys myself in 8 minutes. Number 4. Dorman 99360 Keyless Remote. This replacement key fob is designed to seamlessly integrate with your Chrysler, Dodge, or Ram vehicle. It's the perfect solution for a lost or damaged key. Forget expensive dealership visits. It comes with a patented programmer that plugs into your OBD2 port for quick and easy setup. This 3-button remote functions exactly like your original factory fob, providing lock, unlock, and panic features. A blank key is included, ready to be cut to match your existing vehicle key. It's a complete replacement solution. Remember, you'll need at least one of your original keys or fobs for the programming process. It only works on vehicles originally equipped with keyless entry. Use our online tool to verify compatibility with your specific vehicle's make, model, and trim level. This ensures a perfect fit every time. What we like. This keyless entry remote is designed to look and function just like the original. It includes a patented programmer for quick and easy setup, saving you money on dealership programming. If you're comfortable with DIY projects and want a seamless replacement, this is perfect for you. What people say. Took no time at all to program. Followed the limited instructions and worked flawlessly. Programming the key fob was very straightforward. Great product, it worked for me. Number 3. FOBIK Dodge Ram Key Fob. This key fob is a perfect replacement for your worn-out or lost car key. It's compatible with various Dodge and Jeep models from 2009 to 2012. It works with several Dodge and Jeep models, including the Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, Journey, and Grand Caravan. Check the product description for a full compatibility list. It comes with pre-installed batteries and electronics, so it's ready to use right out of the box. It has been pre-tested to ensure quality. This key fob is compatible with several part numbers, making it easy to find the right replacement for your vehicle. See the description for a complete list. For vehicles from 2010 and onwards, programming requires a qualified locksmith or dealership. Self-programming is not possible for these models. It makes a thoughtful gift for friends, family, or even yourself as a backup. It's a reliable and trustworthy replacement. You get 2 key fobs, each with electronics and batteries pre-installed. Note that it only works with vehicles that have regular keys, not push to start. What we like. Get 2 key fobs with pre-installed batteries and electronics, ready to program and use. They're fully tested for quality, giving you reliable performance. If you value convenience and want a hassle-free replacement, this is the best choice. What people say. Worked perfect. It works with simple key, and these keys are a lot cheaper than the keys. Did not have any problems, was easy and simple to get it programmed. Great quality. Number 2. FOBIK Key Fob Replacement. This key fob is a perfect replacement for your worn-out or lost car key. It's compatible with a wide range of Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles. It works with various models and years, including the Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 from 2009 to 2012. Check the description for a full compatibility list. It comes fully assembled with batteries and electronics pre-installed and tested. Just install it and go. This key fob is compatible with several part numbers, making it a simple swap for your old one. See the description for a complete list. For vehicles from 2010 onwards, you'll need a qualified locksmith or dealership to program it. Self-programming isn't possible. It makes a thoughtful gift for friends, family, or even yourself as a backup. Consider it for upcoming holidays or special occasions. You'll receive 2 key fobs, each with electronics and batteries included. Note that it only supports regular key vehicles, not push to start. What we like. This deal offers 2 pre-tested key fobs, complete with batteries and electronics, ready for immediate use. They are thoroughly checked for quality and reliability. If you want a simple, high-quality replacement without extra steps, this is the one for you. What people say. These are outstanding fobs. The only provision is that, you must use a locksmith TO program. 2012 Ram 1500, my old keys wouldn't lock, but would unlock and start the truck. Took one of the keys apart and noticed the OEM keys were designed with metal buttons that after normal use easily separated from the circuit board. These new keys have an adhesive plastic overlay over the back of the circuit board with the metal buttons over their connectors that can be carefully separated from the circuit board. They both programmed fine, one has a unlock button that doesn't want to respond, but both do start the truck, and I just swapped my existing cut keys into them. Works great for what I paid. Number 1. FOBIK Keyless Remote Start. It's a high-quality key fob, fully pre-tested by professionals. It comes with a battery and electronics already installed, ready to use. This key fob works with many vehicles. Check the description for a complete list of compatible cars and trucks. Make sure it matches your FCC ID. Replacing your old key fob is simple. It's compatible with a wide range of part numbers for various models and years. Find your part number in the description. Programming is easy for most models. You might need 2 working keys for self-programming, or a locksmith for newer models. Instructions are included. Your order includes 2 key fobs, each with pre-installed electronics and batteries. They are ready for programming and use. Get yours today. What we like. Each key fob undergoes rigorous pre-testing by professional locksmiths. It also offers easy self-programming for vehicles before 2010. If you prioritize quality and want a straightforward programming process, this is the ideal option. What people say. The key fob is a perfect fit for various Dodge and Jeep models listed, providing keyless entry and remote start functionality seamlessly. The programming process was straightforward, and the key fob works flawlessly. The build quality feels durable and reliable, giving me peace of mind that it will last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.